So from my previous video, this is the frequently asked questions on how you will win interview kahit newbie ka or kahit hindi ka newbie pero gusto mo madagdagan ng clients mo. So, even if you're newbie, you can have a chance to win the interview by following these tips. First, you have an attitude and character when it comes to the interview. What if show something of your work for your previous project? Something na hindi man directly nakaka-apekto or related dun sa ina-apply nyo, but something masasabi nyo na kay client na, hey client, nakatulong ako para makasave ng cost, share mo yung kay client, and for sure mararamdaman ni client yung genuine and sincerity mo doon na hindi ka pa manahan niya na-hire, ang dami mo ng plans para sa kanya. So, ito yung pinakakailangan nyo ring ma-develop during the interview. Kasi, dito mararamdaman naman ni client kung seryoso ka or confident enough ka na matulungan yung company niya. Kasi 'di ba dun sa Loom video, in a short period of time, na-summarize nyo na agad kung ano yung magagawa nyo kay company or ma-offer nyo kay company in that 2 minutes. Yan guys, ito lang naman yung mga common practice kong ginagawa since last year, kaya naman nagkaroon ako ng 40 to 50 clients and counting as of today.